The Nigerian Examinations system brings you a tutorial on how to successfully resize a picture for WAEC CASS registration. We got 3 ways in which we can carry out this process. Now we log in into our dashboard. The first method on resizing a photo is using the Resize Photos on the Tools option. This is the most recommended method. But before we go ahead, we will start registration and pick a random picture. We will go ahead to locate and select our image. We got an error message. The expected dimension should be 275 by 314 and the expected size should be 7 KB to 15 KB. We will now proceed to use the Resize Picture tool on the application. As I said earlier, this method is recommended. You can resize in bulk when registering for a large amount of students all at once. Now proceed to select the source folder. Note, the application does not allow you to select a single picture, so it is advisable to save all student photos in one folder and resize them all at once. Now we have all the images ready to be resized. If you slide to the right, you can see it all. As you can see, the width and height are all configured. Then proceed to resize and save the pictures. Voila! School photos resized successfully. That's the path where you can find the resized pictures. Close it up. Let's start registration again. We will now navigate to the resized folder. As you can see, the application performed a bulk resize, and all the pictures have been resized. Let's go ahead and pick one. It worked. Now the second method is using PhotoScape X. You can download it with the link on my bio. We will proceed to our application. We in the application, as we can see on the taskbar above. We can see Editor. This is used to edit a single picture at a time, but isn't recommended for us resizing a lot of picture. For us, we will be using the batch option. Now we in the batch mode, we can see we have our picture already displayed. We select all and drag to the timeline. Then navigate to the resize option, scroll to the last box and type in our width and height, 275 by 314. By doing that, it affects all images on the timeline. Now proceed to save and choose a path to save. I will save mine on PhotoScape X Resized Pictures for easy access. Now it's completed. We will proceed to student registration. Voila! It worked. Let's pick another one. Now we are assured that everything works. We will proceed with the third method. This method we will be using Paint and Photo. We will be using both methods because each has a feature we both want. Paint can resize and can't reduce the quality, so we can get at least 15 kilobits. In Photo, it's the reverse. We can reduce the size, and we can't resize without the aspect ratio getting in the way. Now, I will proceed to open the image in Paint. You can see this image still has its dimension 640 by 1120, and the size is 596 kilobytes. And this other dimension is 736 by 1104, and the size is 73 kilobytes. We would go ahead and right-click and select Edit with Paint. This is the image in Paint. Navigate to Resize. Remember to turn off this keychain, it controls the aspect ratio. Select Pixels, Horizontal 275 and Vertical 314. Confirm, then click OK. I will proceed to save as. Then navigate to the folder. And save here for easy access. Then navigate to the saved folder. You can see it has the right dimension, but we have exceeded the kilobytes. That's why I said earlier we will need both applications to get the work done. But we're going ahead to give it a try and see if the application will accept. It's rejected it. You can see the application is really strict. Let's close the application and navigate to the photo, so we can reduce kilobytes with photos. Now, double-click and open the photo. Right-click and select Resize Image. See the options. We have an option to reduce quality, so we're going to slide the line toggle below to get the one we actually need. Okay, let's go with 11.6 kilobytes. We'll go ahead and save it. We're going to replace the old one so we don't get distracted by a lot of photos. Let's proceed to the application and test it to see if it works. It worked perfectly. So that's the third method you can use to resize a photo for WAEC CASS registration.